Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to merge two cells in Excel without losing data. So let's begin. So here I have first name and last name columns. So I have plenty of first name and last name here. And generally, if you want to merge a column, you would click on merge right over here. But in this case, if you merge, only the upper left value will remain and the other values will disappear. So what you need to do is, let's click cancel over here because we don't want to lose our value. And then we have another table right over here, which is the full name table. And you can see I have already merged two columns right over here, but manually entering the name will take a lot of time if you have like hundreds or 200s of names. So in this case, you can use a simple formula to combine these two names and create a merged cell like this one. So I'm going to select the first block and click on equal button on my keyboard, and then I'm going to type down concatenate. So I didn't have to type down the full thing. As you can see, I can easily select the second option right over here. And after I have selected the second option, I'm going to select the first block from right over here, and then I'm going to insert a comma, and then I'm going to use double quotation and enter a space inside the double quotation. And after that, I'm going to select the second block and I'm going to now close parentheses. After that, I'm going to click enter, and as you can see, my first name and last name has been combined. And after I have combined the first name and last name, I will have to click on this small icon over here, and I need to drag this down to copy forward the formula to the bottom. So let's select it and drag it down. As you can see, my formula has been copied all the way to the bottom. And if you feel like concatenate formula is too hard for you, you can also press equal and then select one block and then click on the and button. And then you can use double quotation again. Make sure to enter a space inside the double quotation and then hit another and select last name. If you press enter, you'll be able to see that this formula also works same as the concatenate. And if I drag it down, the same formula will exist for all the other rows. And then if I select the entire table right over here, and now I'm going to copy this table. After that, you can paste the table somewhere else. And after pasting, make sure to copy the values separately. As you can see, I'm going to copy all these values, and then I'm going to select the other values, and after that we are going to paste spatial, and then we are going to paste the values only so that the values are now overwritten. Now if I remove the first table, this table will not lose its value. And then you can select all of these columns from A to F, and then you can delete all of these columns. If you delete all of these columns, you'll only have the full name table right over here. So guys, that is how you can merge two cells in Excel without losing data. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.